हम बात कर रहे थे लीडरशिप एंड मैनेजमेंट पे। हमने कहा कि वी विल डिस्कस द डेफिनेशन ऑफ लीडरशिप, व्हाट इज लीडर, व्हाट इज लीडरशिप, इंटरपर्सनल इफेक्टिवनेस क्या होती हैं। ठीक है जी, इस तरह हम बात करेंगे एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ लीडर पे, डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स एंड लीडरशिप स्किल्स पे। वी विल आल्सो डिस्कस व्हाट डू यू मीन बीइंग अ लीडर, राइट, एंड व्हाट आर द लीडरशिप स्टाइल्स एट द एंड। So leader is a person who influences a group of people towards achievement of a goal. ये आप में से कुछ लोगों ने कहा था, a person who influences a group of people towards achievement of goal. A leader by its meaning is one who goes first and lead by example. I'm happy कि ये opinion भी आप लोगों की तरफ से आई थी. A leader by its meaning is one who goes first and leads by example, so that others are motivated to follow him. And to be a leader, a person must have deep-rooted commitment. ये word मैं expect कर रहा था, जिसके लिए मैं बार-बार I was asking you कि कोई ना कोई इस word के साथ आ जाए सामने, लेकिन इस word के साथ कोई नहीं आया. Leader is a person who must have deep-rooted commitment to the goal that he will strive to achieve it, even if nobody follows him. Right? So leader is a man of commitment. Okay. So leader is a person who can take a group of people to a place that where they don't think they can go. A leader strengthens and inspires the followers to accomplish shared goals. And what shared goals are? Organizational goals. To achieve organizational goals, which and shared goals means which are common goals for all. The leader shape the organizational values, promote the organization's values, protect the organization values, and exemplify the organization values. So this is very important line. Leaders shape the organizational values, promote the organizational values, protect the organizational values, and exemplify the organizational values. So what is definition of leadership then? Yes, according to Peter Dalzell, it is the ability to influence others with or without authority. All successful endeavors are the result of human efforts, because the ability to influence others is a derivation of interpersonal communications, conflict management, and problem solving. This is very important. All successful endeavors are the result of human efforts. Thus, the ability to influence others is derivation of what? आप कैसे लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस कर लेते हैं, कैसे लोग आपसे इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं और आपकी बात मानना शुरू हो जाते हैं और आपके पीछे चलना शुरू कर देते हैं. हाउ इज दैट? कैसे होता है ये?
By setting examples.
Yes, by setting example and by derivation of interpersonal communication. Yes, interpersonal communication. People trust you when you talk. Conflict management and problem solving. It's not always by setting examples. Of course, it is by setting example that you are leading from the front. But for setting example, what are the skills you have? What it is derivation of? It is derivation of interpersonal skills, interpersonal communication. And you are resolving the conflicts when it is amongst your employees, right? And you are good enough in